Next, we will move to group by objects. For this, we will create a new data frame. I have the data given here. Let's run this, and I will use this to create a data frame. So it has three columns. In the column 1 we have company name, in the column 2 we have person, and in column 3 we have some sales data. So we will use group by method on this data frame. What the group by method does is it group together rows based off of column names. So for example, we can group the Googles together and use some arithmetic of the remaining columns to get, for example, you want average of Google, we can use group by to group the both Googles together and we'll find the average of this sales column. Similarly for Microsoft and Facebook. So let's group by this data frame. So we have a by parameter here. Axis is 0 by default. So we'll pass in the column name for which we want to group data. This will create a group by object. Now you cannot see the data just like that. We have to use an aggregate method of this object. So let's say we want to see the mean of this data. So it return an error, aggregate function fail. So basically, if you check the signature here for dot mean, if you check the signature, we have a parameter called numeric only, which is by default given as false. We need to turn this into true, so it will try to find the mean of only the numeric values. Right now it is trying to find the mean of this string as well, and obviously there is no mean of this string, so it was trying to find the mean of this person column. So basically for Google it was trying to find the mean of Sam and Charlie. That makes no sense, so that's why it returned an error. So for this arithmetic function we have to turn this parameter numeric underscore only to true. So what this did here was it grouped the data frame based off of this company column. So all of the same elements got grouped together. So we have three companies here, Facebook, Google and Microsoft, and then it returned mean for the sales. So for Google it was 160, for Microsoft it was 232, and for Facebook it was 296.